Stop drowning your fish in heavy gloopy sauce. This is Lazy Wee Kitchen, where we make this fresh cod and zucchini in under 10 minutes. Hit subscribe for quick, logic-based Asian recipes every week. First, cut your cod into 1-inch chunks. If it's too small, it will break easily during the stir-fry. Fish confetti is not on the menu. Transfer them to a bowl, add a pinch of salt and some white pepper powder. Mix them well. Just simple seasoning here, nothing fancy. Then add some cornstarch here and mix evenly, just enough to keep it from falling apart. Mix well and let it sit for 2 minutes, enough time to check your phone or just stare at the fish. Meanwhile, slice 3 pieces of ginger and cut them into fine strips. Fancy knife skills? Optional. Don't cut yourself though, that part's not optional. Chili time. Totally optional. I love spice, so this is non-negotiable for me. If you hate heat, well, you do you. Green onion next. Cut it in half. Chop both white and green parts into 1-inch chunks. Keep them separate. White in first, greens for the grand finale. Now garlic. Ta-da! Smash 1 clove of garlic and finely chop it. No vampires tonight. Zucchini next. Cut into half moons, about 0.5 cm thick. This way it cooks evenly and fast. Heat some oil over medium heat. Lay the fish in the pan and pan fry until the bottom is slightly golden browned. Then flip it over and cook the other side until golden too. Once fully cooked, remove and set it aside. In the same pan, add a bit more oil if needed. Then add the ginger and let it sizzle briefly. Once you smell that nice ginger aroma, toss in the garlic, the white part of the green onion, and chili. Stir until it smells amazing. Neighbors should be jealous by now. Now, toss in the zucchini, medium heat, stir for about 1 to 2 minutes until you see light sear marks. Add 30 ml of water, cover and steam for 30 to 40 seconds. And then, test with a fork. If it goes through but still feels springy, perfect. Bring the fish back in. Season with some kombudashi powder or chicken broth, a little bit of sugar, a splash of rice wine, some soy sauce, and some water. I like mine light and fresh, no gloopy sauce here. Want it thicker? Cornstarch slurry is your friend. Gently toss everything so it's evenly coated. Be careful, the fish is fragile, like my feelings when I break it. Taste test, adjust with soy sauce if needed. Then, toss in the green onion tops, mix gently and finish with sesame oil. Boom! We are done! Actually, I forgot to add the white pepper and sesame oil. Let's fix that before anyone notices. Haha. Don't judge me. This is what real-life cooking looks like. But hey, it still turned out great. Look at that, tender cod, crisp zucchini, light sauce, perfect for rice or even on its own. If you love quick home-style stir-fries like this, hit subscribe and join me again next week. Your walk deserves it.